What's up guys, it's your boy Lucas here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your shots look more dynamic. So stick around. One thing you can do to make your shots more dynamic is by adding movement. I'm going to use a video that I made with my buddy Quinn a couple of weeks ago to show you guys what I mean. For example, in this shot, Quinn wanted like the subject to move from the showroom to the garage of the dealership, and he wanted a shot to show that. So we could have easily done like a tripod static shot from the showroom and then cut to the garage where you see him like walking into the garage, but I wanted to make it like more dynamic. So we made a shot where we follow him, like a tracking shot behind him through the door and then go into the garage. This shot, you can see we start walking, I'm following him, he opens the door, someone's behind the door, someone holds the door, and then we get into the garage. So this shot, this movement from going from the showroom to the garage, following him through the door, makes the shot even more dynamic than doing like a static tripod shot. So that's one example. The movement doesn't really have to be this dramatic. Subtle movements can also make a shot more dynamic. Take this shot for example. While the characters are interacting with each other, you can see the camera moving slowly to the left. It is not very dramatic, but it still makes the shot more appealing to watch. Another shot where the movement is really subtle. The tire is installed while the camera is slowly pushing in, the light shines through the rim, and then boom, that's a shot. So really short shot, but the movement, the subtle movement makes the shot more dynamic. Another tip for making your shot more dynamic is to add elements to create depth. If we look at the first shot, you can see that when the main subject goes through the door, another subject crosses between him and the camera right here. And that makes it seem like there's a lot going on in the garage, and I wanted to create depth. And by doing this, you can see that the shot looks more dynamic. Also, by doing this, Quinn used the other subject to make like a mass transition to the other shot. Let me show you guys how this part looked in the final edit. Let's look at this other shot. You can see the camera is moving in, the main character gets the keys, and then boom, it focuses on the truck. Another example of creating depth. So those are the tips for making a shot more dynamic. I hope you guys learned something new from this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, let me know which other way you can make your shots more dynamic. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the notification bell, follow me on my other social media. I'm gonna put it right down here, and the links are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.